So I exited at 770. My entry was at 476. 770 minus 476, that's 294. My risk was of 147. That's a 2:1 risk reward ratio. Hello everyone. I welcome you all to Money Mind. Today we are going to discuss an amazing options buying strategy where I will define your entry point, stop loss, as well as target points. So before starting this strategy, I would like to give you few points which you need to remember. First point is this strategy is applicable for Nifty and Bank Nifty. Second, time frame for this strategy is 15 minutes. You need to understand that when you are buying an option, you have to make quick entries and quick exits. Third point is the strategy is applicable on all days, but it's most effective on an expiry day. So basically on a Thursday or a day before that on Wednesday also. So you can apply this strategy on a Wednesday or a Thursday. So you need to remember these 3 points. First point is the strategy is applicable for Nifty and Bank Nifty. Second point is that the time frame has to be 15 minutes. Third point is the strategy is applicable on all days, but it's most effective on an expiry. Okay, so now that we have understood all the three important points, let's move ahead with the strategy. So now as you can see here, I have kept Nifty September future and Bank Nifty September future in my watch list here. So you need to keep the future charts of Nifty and Bank Nifty in your watch list. So now I have Nifty September future chart open on my console. You need to set an indicator RSI with setting of 14 and your upper limit as 60, lower limit as 40. So now we are ready with our setup. So the first thing is you need to wait for the future chart of Nifty or Bank Nifty in whichever contract you are trading to cross either above 60 and close above 60 or cross below 40 and close below 40. So as you can see here on 23rd September 9:15 the closing candle was below RSI 40. As soon as it closed below RSI 40, you need to now check what was the closing price of the Nifty future at the closing candle. So the closing was at 17,543. So now you need to add Nifty 17,500 call and put in your watch list. Nifty 17,500 I have call and put. Now these call and puts are to be of the recent expiry. So as you know, we are near the end of September month. So these are the monthly expiries. But if we were trading in the first week of October, I would have added this weekly expiry of Nifty 17,500 call and put. If futures chart shows closing above RSI 60, I have to go for calls. If futures chart shows closing below RSI 40, I have to go for puts. Now, as this futures chart shows the candle to close below RSI 40, we are going to trade into puts. If it had crossed above RSI 60, we would have planned to trade in calls. So I'll first check Nifty 17,500 call as I have to trade into puts, but I will not take an entry until and unless the calls chart of 17,500 has also crossed below 40. So the idea is Nifty crosses below 40. I check the closing price of the Nifty futures. It was 17,500. I added 17,500 call and put. As Nifty has crossed below 40, I have to trade into puts. But before entering, I have to make sure that the Nifty call at the money call RSI is also trading below 40. So as I can see here at 9:15, definitely 17,500 call of Nifty is trading below RSI 40. So now I'll look at 17,500 put. Okay, so at 9:15, you can see that at the closing of 9:15, RSI has not crossed above RSI 60. Now I will wait for the RSI to cross and close above 60 to mark my entries and stop loss. So at the closing of 9:30 candle, RSI has crossed above 60. Now I need to define my entries, my stop losses and my targets. Okay, so this is my alert candle. This green candle is my alert candle. Why? Because it has crossed and closed above RSI 60. Our entry will be alert candle high plus 1. So in this case, the high of this candle is 195.05. My entry will be plus 1 of this, so 196 will be my entry. Stop loss will be alert candle low minus 1. The low of this candle is 151.9. I'll take minus 1 of it. My stop loss will be around 150 to 151. I'll keep it 151. My entry minus stop loss is the risk that I'm going to take with this trade. My first target will be the entry point, which is alert candle high plus 1 plus the risk that I'm taking. Second target will be first target plus risk. What is my risk? 45 is my risk. I've defined my entries, my stop loss, my targets, everything has been defined now. I enter above this high with a stop loss of 151. As soon as I get to my first target, I have to trail my stop loss. Now, here I can do two things. If I'm trading with one lot, I will trail the stop loss. If I'm trading with two lots, I will book the profit of first lot and trail the stop loss of second lot, cost to cost. So I achieved the first target of 241. It then moved to our second target. We trailed our stop loss to 241. Now you can exit at the day end, or you could have booked your profit when you achieved your second target. So that's how the setup of this strategy works. We will also check Bank Nifty. So as you can see here, at 9:15, the Bank Nifty September futures chart closed below RSI 40 at 9:15 candle with a closing of 40,210. So I'll open and add 40,200 call and put in my watch list. I'll first check Bank Nifty call 40,200 option at 9:15. It is definitely trading below RSI 40, so no worries there. Now the put at 9:15 it crossed and closed above RSI 60. So this is my alert candle. So this is my alert candle. I'll quickly identify my entries, my stop losses and targets. So the high of this candle is 475.5. I'll take a roundup of 476 as my entry. Below of this candle is 329.65. I'll set my stop loss to 329. 147 is my risk. I will add this to my entry to identify my target 623. I entered at 476. We achieved our first target of 623. Now, if you have two lots, you can book one lot and trail the second lot cost to cost at 476. We then achieved our second target of 770. Then the candles, then there were some red candles being formed with a low of 632, but my stop loss is at 623, so it never got triggered. We then reached our third target as well of 917, but the final 15-minute candle made a low of 741, but my trailing stop loss was at 770, so it got triggered and I exited. So I exited at 770. My entry was at 476. Now this 470, 770 minus 476, that's 294. My risk was of 147. That's a 2:1 risk reward ratio. So I hope you were able to understand this strategy. It's a 15-minute time frame. You can definitely trade a 15-minute time frame. You don't have to keep looking at the charts again and again. And when you have identified your entries, your stop losses, your targets, you just have to wait till the targets are achieved. No need to look at your charts on a continuous basis. If you like this video, please share it with your friends, to all those who are trading but making losses. And for more such content, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.